How to find the best moment to put the trade on. Hi, my name is Camila and today we're gonna trade and find the best moments to get all the profit that we can. So as usual, we're gonna start with choosing the assets with the biggest payout. As you can see, the best payout on the pocket option is 92% and that is a good profit from the assets. Also, we're gonna use the candles for 30 seconds and we're gonna use two indicators for today, the oscillator and the zigzag. We're gonna correct them a little bit for ourselves so it's gonna be comfortable to work with. Also, I'm correcting the periods so they're gonna synchronize with two indicators between themselves. And also I'm changing the style to see better the indicators on the picture. Okay guys, so all indicators are set and we are ready to start to find our best point to put the money in. So we can do from here, as you can see from the oscillators, that the first thing that I saw that we had a lot of buyers and then they escaped, thus giving us understanding that the market probably gonna push the price down. Also, we can see that the market in the position of curves of the maximum and minimum situation right here, and we already had our maximum, our minimum, and now we're working with a curve to bounce every situation on the market. And as you can see now, we are going downward just because we don't have a lot of buyers right here. So let's see what's happening. We have this tail on this candle that's showing us, well, I tried the zone higher and it's not comfortable for me. Also, we have this support zone that we probably can test out because it's very comfortable and it's very close to us right now, so we can test it out. And guys, with this point of starting this trade, we already have our first profit and I think that is amazing. So let's continue. Let's find the best point on the market right now. I think now it's gonna be going downwards again because we had this window on the market and already we have this lowering positions that it's going downwards. We already had the price to going higher, but as you can see, even that we went higher from this line here, so we had this experience earlier, we went downwards again and again. So I think that the price gonna go pushed downwards to the bottom line right here. Even that we have the buyers, I don't think that's gonna be compensating the lines that's going downwards from the indicators that is showing us that we are not growing very seriously for the highest moment. And as you can see, the price is falling and it's not very confident on the market, just very slowly going down because it's very uncomfortable on the market. And guys, again, just few seconds and we have the second profit in a row, and I think that's amazing, just understanding which moment is the best to put your money in the motion. And let's find this perfect moment as going higher. So we can see the curvish position on the market that we reached the downward situation, the highest situation, and we had this window on the market that showed us, wow, we had the situation for upwards and downwards here. And now I want to show you when we have the bad situation to put our money in motion. As you can see here, we can see that the oscillator showing us that we have no buyers. Also, we can see that we on this asset have critically long lines to downwards position, and also we have a curve situation, but this curve is not equal, it's kinda lame here, so it can be not the best situation on the market to put your money in. And as you can see, that is what's happening. We're losing money here because we chose not the best moment for the putting our trade in motion. So I showed you how not to choose the best moment. I showed you how you can find the worst moment to put the trade in motion. So let's compensate it with martingale strategy and continue. So I'm thinking that that is a not bad moment for putting money in. So that's why I'm thinking it. We have the buyers on the oscillator. Also, we had a very long way to the downwards history, and also we have this tail details that's showing us, well, yeah, we had the moment that we went downwards but the zone was uncomfortable, and we have two-time history of that. You can see it right here and right here, and it showed us that the market downwards is not working for us right now. Also, I'm thinking that we're working with a curve situation, and somewhere right here we're gonna have the stable area for working with a curve somewhere in this area probably. And also, as you can see, we have the support and resistance zone, and for example we have the resistance zone right here, the first one, but I don't think that we're gonna try it. Just we're gonna go to this area, and guys, we had third profitable deal in a row. Even that before I showed you how not to do, and we lost $100. We just compensated with martingale strategy and the right moment to put the trade on. Okay guys, so let's continue. We already have 3 profitable examples how to put the money in the right moment to the trading history, and I already showed you one moment how not put the money in this moment, because that is a problem moment, so you would understand how it's right and how it's wrong. So that's why I gave you this example, and let's continue and find the best moment to put our money in for sure. So let's find the assets that have the pretty nice moment to put the money in. So what is happening here? We have buyers on the asset, we have a long time of lowering our position, and we have really unstable market. What we doing? We putting the time frame for 1 minute. Also, we can see that we have buyers, and we putting the point that we had on the showing us this tail that's showing us, well, we tested the zone downwards, it was not comfortable, and now we're just watching how the price is growing higher and feeling comfortable and nice. Yeah, so as you can see, the price is growing very fast. It's probably gonna be compensated back, but we still gonna grow from this point to the higher position for sure. And I think that we're gonna have, as here, we're gonna have this stable zone right here probably in few minutes, but as you can see, it's compensating back, but we already having the profit. So today we went through the 5 trades, and I showed you how to trade, how to find the best moment to put the money in to start the trade, and one I gave you the negative example how to not do that. And I think it's very interesting, and I hope it's gonna be useful for you, and you're gonna find the best moment to put your money in. Also, if you want to grow your capital, don't forget about my Telegram channel where I give free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel so you won't lose my interesting and useful video. Bye bye.